TrueClot Simulated Haemostatic Gauze is a specialised training tool designed to enhance the realism of hemorrhage control simulations. When used in conjunction with TrueClot Blood Simulant, it facilitates the formation of lifelike blood clots during wound packing exercises, providing trainees with practical experience in managing severe bleeding. The gauze interacts with TrueClot Blood Simulant to initiate simulated clotting upon contact, closely mimicking the behaviour of actual haemostatic agents. Packaged in a heat-sealed white plastic pouch, the gauze closely resembles commercial haemostatic products, offering realistic training experiences. Available in 3-inch wide strips, the gauze comes in both Z-folded and rolled formats, with lengths of 4 feet and 12 feet, catering to diverse training requirements. It's important to remember that TrueClot gauze is intended solely for simulation training purposes. It's not sterile and is not suitable for medical use. Incorporating this gauze into training programs offers hands-on approach to mastering bleeding control techniques, thereby enhancing the preparation and confidence of medical professionals and first responders. For more information and to buy TrueClot, please contact us.